So, from this position, take out the balance, remove. Okay, this is number 1. Okay, 4 times. Take out, release. Okay, number 2, okay, open your hand, click your elbow, release. Okay, number 3, okay, if it's strong, do up your palm, smash. Okay, that's number 3. Number 4, take out the balance, coming from here, push towards. Okay? Okay? Number 6, this one is pulling. Okay? So from here, hold the hand. Okay? That's it. So you can apply that into hand. Okay? To hand. Okay? It's the same. Okay? So in this position, take out. Okay? Number 2. Okay? So from this position, observe my leg. Okay? So from here, I will do this one. Okay? And then come from here. Okay? Number 3. Okay? Open, smash, and here. And then, okay? Got it? Take out the balance. Okay? Kuha? Ayun, yun ka na yung isa. Yan. So, this one lang. Okay? Okay? Oh, what if? Ito another variation. Another variation. Okay. From here, no? Strong. So, coming from here, see? Coming from here. So, this is different, no? So, take a from there. Okay? So from here, see? Okay? Put your hands here. Okay? Rotate. Okay? Okay? Okay, so from here, okay? So another. Take out. Birahin mo to. Take out from here. It's the same. Okay?